Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and I'd like to present you a new functionality of the PowerPack for Vault, combined PDF files. This functionality is available in PowerPack for Vault 2024.1, and I would like to show you two workflows, in fact, how this functionality is working on Vault Office 2024 and Vault Professional 2023. As you know, Graitec PowerPack is compatible with two versions, so 2024 version of the PowerPack is compatible with 2023 and 2024 Vault Office and Professional. So we are in Vault Office and we want to combine some PDF files. So I have searched for some PDF files in my project and selecting them, right click, Graitec PowerPack, and at the end we have combined PDF. This dialog will pop up and we have the order of the files. So in the first tab we have the files that we have selected and the order we want to set them in the final file. So it's important to set the order of this file exactly as you like to have them in the final merge PDF. So you can move those by the arrows, and then you can change the name. So the name of the PDF is very easy to change. You just go in the field and you text whatever you want to text and you need, of course. But now when it comes to this path to be saved, by default it's set the path from the first file selected, but if not, you can change it to any Vault directory if you want, or project. Next, if we go to the Properties tab, here we have an option to select a source file, and then we have two areas: System Properties and User Defined Properties. So the source file is the file that is giving us the values for the system properties, and also the file that is giving us the user defined properties, their name of course and their values including. So using these properties you can add them in the name if you would like to. We thought that it's important for the user to have a full control over the naming of the file, and if he would like to have a certain property of the file listed in the naming, in the final name, he should be able to select it. So this is very easy. You must pay attention to have the cursor where you like to insert the property, the value, yes, and then you just go and select that value. You can of course edit further if you like to add like a prefix or a suffix. It's very easy to do. Then if we go to the settings, here we have for the moment the watermark. You can enable it. You have the control of the position, the font size, and the color, and of course the text, what we would like to have as a watermark text. You can write whatever is fitting for your project. Once you finished, you click save. You will notice you have this progress bar that is showing you how long it's taking to process the final PDF. What is important to remember, you can close the file, the window, the dialog of the command while after you pressed save, because it's allowing you to save time, and the process will be done in the back, so you can continue working Vault, and at one certain point the file will appear at the location where you have saved it. And from there you open it and you can see that actually how the file it's combined, and you can notice also that on the pages how you set it, the watermark is present as well. So it's very easy to combine this file. So this was the overflow inside Vault Office 2024, and now I will switch to Vault Professional 2023 to work with some PDF that were generated from some drawings created in Inventor. Yes, so the same, we have the PowerPack installed, and we are in the project. We have 3 PDFs that we want to group in one PDF. Yes, it's very easy to do that. Select them, right click, combine PDF files. The process basically is the same. The dialog will appear, you have the files and you can order them the same like we did before. It's very easy to do that. You decide which one should be the first, which one should be the last, exactly as you need it. Using the arrows, then the name is very easy to control again. You can change it how you want. The saving path, yes, is in the project that you have selected the files. In one thing is important to remember: you can group files that are part from multiple projects. Doesn't need to be in the same project. We saw previously that you can search inside your Vault all PDF files, and you can, I don't know, it depends on, you have 2 projects that you want to save in one shot, you can do that. So it's not only per project, you can do from multiple projects if it's needed. Of course, then we go to the properties. The properties are the same. You just select the property that you want to add in your naming. If you like to, of course, it's not mandatory, but if you need one property to have it in the naming, you can do that from here. And then from the settings, you will go after that to change to add a watermark. And for example, I'm changing the name here, and I say I'm editing completely the name. Then we go to the watermark part. We are setting the watermark, what we want to have as a text. So we are setting a new watermark. For example, do not share outside company, of course, and then you set the diagonal, the color, the font size, anything you need. Okay, very easy to set. Save, and you will see the progress bar there. Again, if you have multiple files, or you have like 10-20 files that you want to combine, you have to close the you can close the window, and this will work in the background, so don't need to wait for all the process to be finished. And then of course, where you have the files, you can open it and check what it's done. And so we have here some files that were combined, and again with the watermark that you see. So this was all for this combined PDF files new command.